You suffer from blank page panic, and you're sitting down to write a song and nothing comes to your head. And your mind is blank, and it's as blank as the paper that you're staring at. Maybe I don't write songs on paper, but I do. It helps my brain process. I've tried just like typing into things, and it just is not the same. So I prefer pen and paper. But when I'm stuck like that, I focus on one thing, and that is, what is the emotion of the song? What feeling do I want to express? So I have a sheet of all these different emotions. You can download it for free, and it can offer you a starting point when you are struggling to start your song. Take care.